So, hi dear Aquarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal, a reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 6th till the 12th of January. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. Sorry, the roles can be reversed also. Okay. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing the course. Link is in the description box. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, link is in the description box for the same, and it's life changing. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can book your slots accordingly. Link is in the description box for everything. And if you have any queries, you can mail us on the modernsanyasini@gmail.com. The previous email is not working. Please don't mail on that. Let's see, Aquarius, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. We have the World card. Okay, now this is someone who feels like there is unfinished business between you guys. Maybe you guys are going through a period of separation or breakup, or there is no contact kind of a deal right now at this present moment. They are feeling some kind of unfinished business, and certain things need to be completed, need to be completely finished before you guys can move to the next chapter of the situation. Let's clarify the World card. We have the Knight of Swords, the Justice, and the Three of Swords. Okay, so this is someone who is feeling quite heartbroken, and they feel like they should talk to you about certain things and get a proper closure and or finish this like kind of heartbroken kind of energy completely. Wow. So someone feels like rushing back towards you and talking to you about the heartbreak, about the pain that they're experiencing because of the things that left unsaid or unhealed between you guys, that you guys left. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Hermit. So from your side, you feel like keeping your energies intact, and you think a lot. You feel like you should think about the future direction of the situation, and you feel like isolating yourself, detaching from the situation, and thinking about it with all of your heart and soul, with all of your wisdom and knowledge and experience till this point of your life. Let's clarify the Hermit. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Two of Cups, and the Fool card. Yes, you feel like you should put in the effort and energy in this situation, but at the same time you feel like you should remain free and independent. Even if you are going to be in a relationship with anybody, it's not about this person only. You feel like you should not lose your independence and you should not lose your individuality. That is what you feel like. That is what you are routing for and looking forward to have in your love and relationship area, right? So you are manifesting that kind of connection. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the Six of Swords. Their intention is to have a peaceful resolution to the problem that you guys were facing in the situation, and then moving on to the next chapter without the past baggages. Okay, let's clarify the Six of Swords here. We have the Death card, the Queen of Swords, and the Hierophant. Okay, so this is somebody who wants to have a peaceful solution. Definitely, they want to let go of the bitterness out of the situation after this breakup, separation, or whatever is happening, or whatever happened recently in the situation. They don't want to be harsh anymore. They don't want to be in the revengeful energy anymore. They want to sort it out with you, like a mature human being, like a spiritual person, like somebody who have gone through a lot in their life, and now they want to sort it out with you with a mature level, with a mature understanding, with a peaceful and compassionate kind of energy, rather than being all revengeful and hateful about it. Okay, now sorting it out means having a proper closure, or sorting it out means having a second chance. It can be anything regarding the situation according to your energies. Take it how it resonates with you. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? People are celebrating something. We have Gypsy as well. Seven of Swords. You want to sneak away from the situation. You don't want to clear the air with this person. For some reason, either you are scared, and or you think this is not mandatory anymore. This is not, this person, this situation, the don't need your reaction or don't need you. your energies anymore. Let's clarify the Seven of Swords here. We have the Knight of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords, and the Five of Wands, right? See, you don't want to participate in any kind of drama anymore. You just want to sneak away from the situation as far as you can. Don't want to look back, Aquarius. Especially if you know that this is going to convert into a drama. If you are going to reconnect with this person, you don't want to repeat the same cycle with this person whatsoever, never in this lifetime again. You just want to sneak away from the situation as far as you can and never look back, because you don't want to participate in any kind of drama anymore. Okay, got it. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 12th of January, honey. We have the Nine of Wands. I do see your guards being very high, very up, and you're not opening up to this particular person or situation. You're like, nope, goodbye, done. Let's clarify the Nine of Wands. We have the Devil, the Magician, the Seven of Wands, right? So you are in this energy of not letting any devil enter in your energy field ever again. You're considering this person as devil energy. Devil doesn't mean that they are into some black magic or some kind of like this. You are considering this situation as a toxic situation, as an unhealthy situation, and you're manifesting this energy of universe, please protect me from this particular person or energy, and never allow them to connect with me in this lifetime ever. Never allow them to connect with me energetically. Not like that, right? So your guards are very high. You are not connecting with any person, any energy that hurt you in any way, or that you put you in any kind of toxic or unhealthy situation in any way. Basically protecting yourself and being in this energy of I don't care, don't give a shit, goodbye. Cool. Let's see the guidance for you guys. Six of Wands. Okay, you should be the center of attention of your own world, but at the same time, don't forget to heal the unresolved issues that you have gone through, and they are still unhealed. That's very, very important. In order to get the real essence of success, real essence of freedom and happiness, you need to resolve the unresolved issues, and then you can enjoy the freedom and happiness that you are routing for in your coming future. That's very, very important for you to heal and let go and completely heal. Then you can focus on yourself individually. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.